If you are new here, I'm Nico, a French content creator living in Vancouver, Canada, documenting my journey to build my ideal life through consistent actions. This week was all about focus, momentum, and finishing the little things, tightening my task list, training hard, and shipping videos before the trip to France. Monday, I spent the morning buying Christmas gifts. Happy it's done, but wishing I had been faster. Then I logged Opal for 5 hours and attacked my task list. I wanted to get from 28 to 21 tasks by the end of the day. I did a solid upper body workout, back, chest, shoulders, and biceps. 23 sets total. Protein is on point. Tuesday, I was tired even after I sleep, but productive. Goal for the day, bring down my task list to 17. I took a short nap, went for a walk, listened to the audiobook about the 12-week year, and starting implementing the structure. I did a deadlift session at the gym. I felt strong. I spent some time tightening the security back end on the apps. Tomorrow, I will focus on more features for the Yamakasi app. Wednesday, I did a hot and cold session at Gatherwell. Quiet, meditative, and restorative. Then, squat session at Yard Athletics, and filmed 2 episodes of the Journey series after. I recorded episode 22 and 23 at WeWork. I'm planning to sleep earlier to be able to recover and keep volume high all week. I did some meal preps, rice and chicken for the next days. Thursday, I had a good night of sleep. I also had a difficult but honest conversation with my fiancé about money, direction, and creating more than consuming. I finished editing episode 22 and its thumbnail. The church paperwork are moving forward, so we are starting next week the religious wedding prep. I reflected on couple dynamics and responsibilities. I pushed myself to be accountable. Friday, Black Friday runs. I bought a 3-day ski pass at the Seymour Mountain for the winter. I extended my Whoop membership and got a new electric toothbrush. At the gym, I did a heavy accessory day, 26 set total. I met my fiancé at Pacific Center and shopped for Christmas gift. It was a meaningful moment to spend some time together after a busy week. Saturday, active day, run and long walk. I called my grandfather and my mom. I also made some oats, cinnamon cookies, and prepped for the week. I'm removing naps from now to improve my sleep consistency, aiming to wake up at 7:30 a.m. Sunday, another run, family calls, and time with my fiancé. I played some chess and crossed the 700 ELO and keep improving. I finished November strong, progress, discipline, and more clarity. That's it for week 24. Momentum is built by finishing the small things. Keep showing up. If you are on your own journey, keep going. Follow the journey, and I will see you next week.